Welcome to another card tutorial. If you're a new viewer, thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoy this card tutorial for this simple congratulations card. And if you're a returning viewer, thanks again for watching. Shown here, as well as linked and listed below, are the supplies that you'll need to make this simple card. The first step is to take your pencil and base paper that you're using for the card and simply write out the letters. Once you have everything written out, you want to take your pen, whatever color that you're using. Here I'm using a really pretty blue vibrant color, and these are my favorite Faber-Castell pens, and simply outline all of the letters. Once you've completed outlining all of the letters, simply go back in with that same pen that you used for outlining and color everything in. This color blue in these Faber-Castell pens is a little bit streaky when you just go over everything once. So what I decided to do was, once I'd colored in all of the letters once, I just simply went over everything again. And as you can see here, it really gives it a much more saturated blue look. And I just like that here for this card, to not have that kind of so much of a streaky hand-drawn effect. The next step is to add in the dot kind of accents that border or surround each of the letters. And so simply what you're going to do is take your silver pen. This is a silver pen that's part of the Michael Recollections pen series. They have silver, gold, and copper, but I chose to use silver here as I thought it complemented and worked well with the blue color of the lettering. And simply just draw in lots of little dots around the outside or border of each of the letters. And once you've completed that for all of your letters, this simple congratulations card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and try making this card yourself. Thanks so much for watching.